The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera releases of 2025. It's the long-awaited successor to the popular Z50 and Z70, and it's already building major anticipation among hybrid shooters and content creators. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest authentic updates from the world of technology and photography. Today, we're diving into what Nikon's upcoming Z90 is bringing to the table, its release date, expected specs, and all the upgrades that could make it Nikon's best APS-C mirrorless camera yet. From the early information that's surfaced, it's clear Nikon isn't holding back this time. The Z90 is rumored to take a massive leap forward, not just in image quality but also in video capabilities, autofocus intelligence, and overall performance. Nikon has learned a lot from its recent flagship launches, especially the Z8 and Z9, and now it's ready to bring that same DNA into a smaller, more affordable body. Let's start with the power behind the camera, the sensor and processor. The Nikon Z90 is expected to feature a new 33-megapixel APS-C stacked CMOS sensor, paired with the Expeed processor. That's the same processing system used in the Z9 too, which means you can expect blazing fast readout speeds, almost zero rolling shutter, and impressive low-light performance. The stacked design will allow the Z90 to handle high frame rates with ease, making it ideal for wildlife, sports, and even professional video work. In terms of speed, early leaks suggest that the Z90 could shoot up to 20 frames per second in RAW and up to 30 frames per second in JPEG, with full autofocus and exposure tracking. That's a huge step up from the Z70 and puts it in direct competition with cameras like the Sony A6700 and Canon R7 Mark II. For hybrid shooters, this means you'll be able to capture fast action and switch instantly to 4K or even 6K video without compromise. Speaking of video, Nikon is reportedly taking video performance to the next level. The Z90 is expected to record 6K 60 frames per second video internally and 4K 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow-motion shots. With 10-bit analog and H.265 compression, it'll give creators serious flexibility in color grading and post-production. And here's the best part: Nikon might finally introduce internal ProRes recording for the first time in an APS-C body, something video creators have been asking for. The autofocus system is where things get really exciting. Nikon's recent cameras have impressed everyone with their AI-powered autofocus tracking, and the Z90 will continue that trend. It's rumored to feature AI-driven subject recognition, powered by the new Expeed processor. This will include advanced tracking for humans, animals, birds, vehicles, and even aircraft, with improved eye detection that works seamlessly across both stills and video. It's expected to perform reliably in challenging lighting conditions, making it perfect for creators who shoot on the go. Design-wise, the Z90 will likely follow Nikon's signature Z-mount aesthetic: compact, rugged, and comfortable to hold. The body is said to feature magnesium alloy construction with full weather sealing, making it durable enough for outdoor photography and travel. It's expected to weigh around 650 grams, giving you a perfect balance between portability and performance. The electronic viewfinder could be another highlight. Nikon might include a 3.69 million OLED EVF with a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother previews, along with a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD, ideal for vloggers, YouTubers, and anyone shooting vertical content. There's also talk of a slightly deeper grip and improved button layout for easier control during long shooting sessions. Now, battery life has always been a concern for mirrorless shooters, but Nikon seems to have addressed that too. The Z90 is expected to use a new ENEL25C battery, offering up to 700 shots per charge. Combined with the efficiency of the new processor, you can expect much better endurance compared to older models. And yes, USB-C fast charging will be supported, making it easy to top up on the go. Connectivity will also be a big part of the upgrade. The Z90 should come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and improved SnapBridge support for faster image transfer and remote shooting. Some reports even mention direct live streaming capabilities over Wi-Fi, allowing creators to broadcast straight to YouTube or social platforms without additional gear. Nikon may also introduce dual SD and CF Express Type B card slots, giving professionals the flexibility and speed they need for demanding shoots. That's something that would truly set it apart from other APS-C cameras on the market. For photographers, the Z90 will be a powerhouse. The rumored ISO range of 100 to 102,400 ensures incredible performance even in low light, while the 5-axis in-body image stabilization will deliver up to 7 stops of compensation. Whether you're shooting handheld video, night portraits, or wildlife, the stabilization will make a huge difference. As for pricing, the Nikon Z90 is expected to launch around $1,799 for the body only, making it a premium APS-C camera but still far more affordable than the Z8 or Z9 II. With its feature set, this camera could easily attract both advanced hobbyists and professionals looking for a lightweight second body. The release date is expected to be March or April 2025, right before the busy photography season kicks in. Nikon typically unveils major cameras during spring or early summer, and with the Z9 II and Z8 already launched, the Z90 is the next logical step in their roadmap. So, what makes the Z90 special? It's not just another crop sensor camera, it's a bridge between pro performance and everyday usability. It brings the power of Nikon's flagship technology to a smaller, more accessible form factor, giving creators a tool that's fast, reliable, and ready for anything. If you're into wildlife, sports, travel, or vlogging, the Z90 could be one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras of 2025. Its balance of resolution, speed, and AI-assisted features makes it a perfect all-rounder. And since it's built on the Z-mount system, you'll have access to Nikon's incredible range of Z lenses, which continue to expand with each new launch. It's clear that Nikon is serious about pushing its APS-C lineup forward. The Z90 isn't just an update, it's a statement. It shows that Nikon is ready to compete head-to-head with Sony and Canon in every segment of the market. When it officially launches, the Nikon Z90 could easily become one of the most in-demand cameras of the year and a favorite among creators who want professional performance without the full-frame price tag. That's all for today's in-depth look at the Nikon Z90. You've been watching Tap Tech, your go-to source for real, authentic tech updates. Stay tuned for more coverage as we bring you the latest from Nikon and beyond. If the leaks are accurate, the Z90 could be the perfect mix of power, precision, and portability, and it might just redefine what an APS-C camera can do.